So which one is your room?
We get to pick?
Have we got a leader? Yeah. Sorry, your name is?
Hans.
Hans.
Nice to meet you. We're heading over to the site, so stick together, find your buddies. I walked in and they were like, we need somebody to lead. And I was like, I'm down. I'm always a big fan of helping coordinate people, so here I am.
What we could do here is just improve that for these guys up there. So at the end of the day, you can walk away with a tear in your eye and say, I did that.
Just use it in short bursts, all right, until your confidence builds, okay? You do have to really push.
With the big heavy bars, we need to dig 3 holes over there.
We are building a ground for the children with handicap for their entertaining. Quite interesting to know every step, the first step, second step.
We had to break the cement to dig holes 400 milliliters deep, and now we're just putting in the fixtures to create like the whole amphitheater that will encapsulate the area.
We were checking just now that the post was at level, we get it nice and straight.
It was a totally new thing for me, and seeing how these things we use every day and never really think about how they're built, you know, seeing one of them kind of in progress.
It's a very, very nice feeling, especially because we had the chance to meet some of the patients here, and so we hope they will enjoy that construction. So I look forward to it.
Today is day 2 of the Splash Community Project, and we're hoping we can finish it today.
Yeah, it's really interesting to be working from people of different nationalities. I mean, all of them are really into it.
We're done.
I'm really excited for kind of what we've been able to accomplish here.
Et c'est Mickaël qui a mené le projet, et je suis vraiment très heureuse de... Bah voilà, ça c'est vous sur cet outil que vous avez construit qui est pour moi une belle image.